Hi everyone, it's Heather. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all of our recent videos. We are very excited today because we are taking the Hogwarts Express train ride. We are on the Hogsmeade side at Islands of Adventure. We were actually here during Christmas break because, like everybody else, it's convenient, it's easier to get off work, kids have off school. However, it was wall-to-wall people, and on this side, we did not get to see much. We just walked through straight back to the train. Something that is extremely important, actually the most important piece of information you need to know. You need a ticket for both parks. It is not just one park ticket. You need to be able to go in between both parks. So you need a ticket for Islands of Adventure and Universal Studios. You have to have both, otherwise you cannot ride the train. It is handicap accessible, and also it is elevator accessible. So if you need an elevator, just let them know and they have one there available to use. I am not sure what their procedure is on who can use the elevator, so make sure you ask. Don't just assume you can use it. A small tidbit that is important to share is that your child needs to come out of the stroller and the workers will put the stroller onto the train for you. And before I forget, make sure they include your children under 3 in the counts because they are very strict about it once you're on. We did include ours. However, she wasn't counted, so there was a little bit of drama. And no, the drama was not with the employees. It was actually some other guests who were there, who it was just 4 of them. And we had a huge group of 10 of us. So yeah, but it all worked out. Everybody was fine. I hope you enjoy the train ride, and I hope you enjoy the commentary from my son during the entire train ride. And if you stay tuned, I have a few secrets that I will share.
This is a weird train because in the window you see real stuff. That's not even real. Fake.
Yes, you can look.
Yeah. Oh, Sophie, look. Mom, Sophie.
Your Hogwarts, we each have a private car. That's what I thought.
Well, look at your fake stuff.
No, it's real. It's just this. That's fake.
Oh. That's fake?
Well, do you think that guy's doing something?
It's occupied, Harry.
Looks like a bunch of first years.
Let's keep looking.
Is this Harry Potter? That's the owl. Wait, there's not actually water. It's not real. That's Portland Cold Eagle. We're watching a movie? Human horse. It's a human horse.
Everyone's like that.
No, it's not a body. Where's Potter? Where's Harry and Potter? Where's Harry Potter? Is that real, Dad? It's not actually raining. Gosh, the lights are flickering. Wait, are they just making it flicker? Yeah, the people are making it flicker. That's real.
Oh, no spiders. Forget them, mate. You'll never catch them now. No, look British actually.
Did you really have to do that?
Honestly, Rob, they're just sweet.
He ate the spider. Wait, which one ate the spider?
Ron.
What? I thought they were real spiders. That was a real.
I think so.
Look out the window, Zaya.
Okay, that's definitely fake.
Where did they put this from?
They moved it. So leave it here. It'll be,
Wow, look at that bus. Oh.
Now approaching Christmas Station. Take them all in.
Wait, are we stopping?
I think so.
the
Why?
other part.
We're at the other port.
And we made it, and it was a very pleasant, fun, entertaining ride, and we are exiting here at the Universal Studios Parkside. Now for the secret I promised you. It's not a secret or tip or what to do here. It's that I'm not that into Harry Potter. I don't dislike Harry Potter. I've seen the movies. I've seen them all once. Maybe actually not the last one. I haven't seen it all. But they did an incredible job on Harry Potter here at Universal. And I can't wait to go back to see more and experience more. And don't mind my daughter in the background. I paused her show and she did not appreciate that too much. Anyway, back to Harry Potter. My brother is really into Harry Potter, and actually when we left, my oldest son came to me and said he'd like to go back and he would also like to spend more time in Harry Potter. So we are going to make another trip, hopefully when it's not as crowded, so we really can immerse ourselves in this whole Harry Potter world. But we really need your help. So for all the Harry Potter fans and Universal fans, give us your tips. Tell us what we need to do and what we can't miss, and even some things that we can skip, because we have no idea. This was our first time there, so it is all new to us. Please take a few seconds and make sure you subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching.